Morning students. So today topic Android programs. So let's go to the program. Okay. So this is the mobile application development index. So first you can complete the Hello World program in your Android. And next sample program is simple counter program. Okay. So after that two sample program you can complete. Next go to the main program. Okay. So simple counter program. You can use of this coding. First of all, you can understand the codings. This one, right? So this is the simple counter program. You can use the two button one and button two. One is a text view, and the Java coding is available, and the public class codings is available in your coding format. So next you can first go to the design layout. So this is the Android layout. One is a command button, add one, and second command button is separate one. Another one text. You can click the command one, automatically changes the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can changes of your separate means you can reduce the 1, 2, 3. So minus of your 4, 3, 2, 1. This one. Okay. So let's go to the program. You can use this Android. So this is the program. Generally you can use of your application name. What is the application name? Okay, counter. So I will use the counter. So you can next button, again main activity and next. So this is the XML coding and Java coding. So this is the layout. You can use of your layout. So first you can use the layout. So what is that? You can use text. First you can select the text, plain text. Okay. So you can change of your text. Again go to the button. Okay. So this is the button one. Again drag and drop button two. Okay. So this is the button one and button two. You can use of the. Okay. So next one you can use. What is that? The using of your coding. So first of all, you can zooming of your coding. So mostly the students will be asking, you not display the coding. So this is a simple coding. You cannot display the coding. So how to zoom the codings of your place? So I display the output. First of all, I directly display the output. What is that? This is the layout. You can click the add button, add 3, 4, 5, 6, this one. Again, you can click the subtract. You can minus of your value. This is the counting. So this is the output. Okay. So next one you can go to the menu. What is that? You can go to the menu. So right. So this is the source. Okay. So generally this is the information. So this one counter dot apk, you can understand what is that. So this is the, you can go to the Play Store, the application software. This one you can copy the file and save your mobile. Directly the counter file will be executed. So those are student interested. So this file will be copy and paste of your mobile and install the APK. So counter file will be executed. Okay, you can check the file. Okay, so this is the counter APK. So next one. So this coding is very small and the coding is display the very minus point of your value. You can go to the window and performance Android and select the, you can use of your general. Okay. So general, again go to the, I think go to the editor, right? Editors, and go to the, what is that, at network connection. So you can go to the editor button, again go to the edit options and text editor buttons. You can use of the, okay, so this one, so text editor, you can font, you can pick the font, you can display the, again go to the edit option and you can execute the size 16. So this the font you can maximize. Okay, so this one the maximize of your options. So this the coding you can maximize, so you can clearly understand of this your coding. And the, this is XML coding. So again you can use of your XML coding and minor activity coding, you can display the font size is increase. Okay, so after that you can complete the coding. So this is the output will be displayed, right? So next one, you can use the coding options. So this one, the coding, what is that? So this one, first of all, you can text view, you can drag, and button you can drag. After that, you can coding, you can changes of your coding. For example, so this is the file, you can use of your layout and main activity XML. The graphic layout will be display and activity main display. You can go to the graphics. First of all, you can design will be complete. After that, go to the Java coding. Okay, so this is the Java coding. You can the coding will be, the integer value count will be defined, and button 1, button 2 you can use. So button 1 you can set on click listener. For example, you click the dot point, automatically display the set click listener. Okay, so next one, or this value will be defined, ID value you can use of your button. Okay, so this is the Java coding, you can use of your public, and the text view, and the B2 is a button 2 value will be displayed. So this is the coding, you can copy the coding in your MS Word. After that, save your coding. So next one, you can run the program in your Android. Okay, so next one, you can output will be display at the time of your command button. So this is the counter file, you can double click the counter file, open your output, you can click the add button, counting will be changes, you can subtract the button, you can minus of your weight. So this is the program you can execute, the Android counting program. You can practice. After that will be start first exercise program. Okay, thank you students.